It's ready. Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making KFC chicken. Sit back and enjoy. Hello and welcome back to my channel. It's Mommy Ebechko here. Thank you for tuning in. Also today we are making KFC chicken. I'll start by making a cut on this chicken. I'm using the chicken thighs, drumstick today. You can make use of chicken breasts or any part of chicken you want, but I would advise that you use a part of chicken that is a bit fleshy. So I'll start by adding all the ingredients I want to this chicken. Then I'm going to mix them together. I'm going to marinate the chicken. I'll be leaving it overnight. You can leave it for some hours before you make it, like before you fry it, or you can make it immediately. It's all about your choice, but I would advise you, if you're going to do it the next day, you marinate it overnight. This helps all the ingredients you throw into your chicken to penetrate into it very well. The chicken is going to absorb it very well. I'm going to leave everything I use for this KFC chicken recipe in my description box. Thank you for always supporting me. I'm immensely grateful. After this, I'm going to mix everything together. I'm going to cover it with my fling pepper and place it in the fridge. Then tomorrow I'm going to fry it. I will advise you to make use of soft chicken for this recipe so that you'll be sure that your chicken will cook 100% when you fry it the next day or in some hours time. So make use of fried soft chicken for this KFC chicken recipe. It's better and it cooks faster. So this is the next day. Our chicken is marinated. You can see how beautiful it looks. I'll be adding some stuff to the flour. I'm making use of 4 cups of all-purpose flour. You can make use of wheat flour for this recipe. If you don't have wheat flour, you can make use of all-purpose flour like I'm doing now. I added paprika, powdered milk, cayenne pepper. I'm going to mix everything together. Then I'll throw in my chicken one after the other in the flour to dust it. I'm going to use the flour to dust the chicken. So when I'm done dusting the chicken, the marinated chicken with the flour, that is the flour we added paprika and milk powder, then the cayenne pepper. When I'm done dusting it, dust it one after the other. I'm going to drop the chicken into this cold chilli water just for a second, then I'll take it up back. After dusting the first round, I'm going to use my sieve and take the upper part of the flour which got in contact with the marinated chicken, because it has some crumbs already, some little residues from the chicken, the juice from the chicken, marinated chicken. So sieve it out so that your flour will be loose, so that it will not be crumbly. Now for the cold water. I'm going to dip it into the cold water for about 5 to 7 seconds and take it out. Then throw it into the flour, the received flour. I received the flour so that it will not be lumpy. Then I'm going to take it out. This cold water method makes the flour to attach itself to the meat or to the chicken easily. Now to fry it, make sure your oil is not too hot. Set your flames in medium-low heat so that your chicken will not burn before getting properly cooked. And make sure not to overcrowd your frying pan. That is the oil you'll be frying it in, or the vessel you'll be frying it in. Make sure you don't overcrowd it. You can, after frying the chicken, the best place to place your chicken is on a rack or in a sieve where the remnant oil can drip out. I'm going to allow it to cook for 2 more minutes, and I'll take it off the flames. After doing the first batch of chicken, frying the first batch of chicken, make sure you sieve your flour again to remove crumbs from the chicken juice. That is the juice that the chicken is dripping out from the marinated sauce in it. Make sure you sieve it again before doing the second part of the dusting. This is how I do it. Put in the water, wait for like 5 to 7 seconds. You throw it into the flour, mix it properly, and use the flour to coat the chicken. As you can see, this is how it looks. Voila! Now to fry the last batch. This is ready. The first batch is ready. I'm dropping it in the sieve where the oil in it can just drip out on its own. This chicken is so crusty, it's so crunchy, it's so cripsy. I don't know, it looks so good. You have to try it. After taking it out from the oil, I'm going to drop the second batch into the oil. Please make sure your gas, your flame or your heat is on low. So our KFC chicken is ready. I just poured a little ketchup into a small bowl. You can eat this with rice, sparks, you can enjoy it with anything. It tastes so good and so crunchy. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not subscribed. See you in my next video. Bye.